I've got a lot of mobile devices at home, so I'm really excited about this mouse and keyboard combo that Share Sunshine recently sent me. This keyboard and mouse set comes in a variety of colors and is compatible with any iOS or Android phone, tablet, or even a Windows machine. So it's really versatile. So I'm just unboxing this kit and I'll show you exactly what it comes with. It actually comes with a few different accessories. Of course, we have the mouse. It's a pretty basic mouse, but what I really like about it is that it has a very low profile, making it very compact and easy to throw it into a purse or work bag. At the top of the mouse, you have a scrolling wheel for navigation, and there's also a left and right click button. And if you turn the mouse over at the bottom is where the battery chamber is, and on the opposite end, there's a tiny little on off switch. The kit also comes with a charging cable, but the cable is pretty short, so you may want to swap it out for something longer if you have a longer cable. Just note that one end of the cable is USB-A and the other end is USB-C. The kit comes with this user manual, and I can already tell it's going to be pretty quick and easy to set up via Bluetooth. And here's the keyboard, which also has a very slim, low profile. Perfect to pair with a tablet, which you can then slip into a case and throw it into your bag. The keyboard has a power button at the top right with a few indicators that light up for when the keyboard is in charge mode, in caps, or Bluetooth connected. It's got all the function keys, number keys, and navigation keys. In a follow up video, I'll come back and show you how quick and easy it is to set up this mouse and keyboard.